this video, I'm going to show you how you can change scripture display position on BibleShow. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, as you can see, I have these scriptures projected on the display or on screen, but I wish to change the position where the scriptures appear. First, not the coverage position. You need to go ahead and go to configuration, and this will show you where the scripture is projected. As you can see, it is projected on the bottom half. However, if you wish this to be projected on the full screen, you can just go ahead and go to window BibleShow display here, and then go to coverage. As you can see, this will show you where it is currently displayed, and you to select the display window coverage on screen. I'll go ahead and click on it, and we have quite a number of positions you can choose. If you wish to project the scriptures on full screen, go ahead and choose full screen, and as you can see, the scriptures will be displayed on full screen. So this window where I'm displaying this now, it is showing the scriptures full screen. You can change this to any position you wish. If you wish to display on right third, it will be so. If you want on left third, it will be so, and you can just change this as you wish. So that's how you can display your scriptures on BibleShow. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.